Smart fashion production. Smart textiles have developed over the last couple of years, but the manufacturing into garments is still done in an old-fashioned way. It is done at the other side of the globe, with ethical and environmental concerns. We don't understand how we can call smart fashion smart if the production isn't. My work is on the cutting edge of high fashion and technology. This collection has won the Frans Molenaar Couture Award and made completely without sewing. Bas translates creative ideas of designers into reality and developed the micromoulding machine. He can change the quality of thermoplastic bio-composite materials into a strong and tactile fabric. Without sewing or gluing, he made a baby carrier based on a digital design. If we combine our work, we can truly create smart fashion. Within the WEARsustain project, we want to bring our approach closer to market readiness. First, we are going to extend the micromoulding machine, thus it can join separate pattern parts and can three-dimensionally handle fabrics to digitally create smart garments. Secondly, we are going to collect and construct new fabrics that are sustainable, fashionable and suitable for our process. E-textile verification is included. Consumer desire depends on how it looks. Our technology and material requires a totally new design language and pattern handling. We envision that our technology will be locally available for designers and producers. Material and technology innovation will happen. The future will be made to measure, sustainable, on demand and ethical.